Introduction: the scientific method in everyday life.
The scientific method isn't just for scientists in labs. It's a step-by-step approach for solving problems and understanding the world. From fixing tech glitches to discovering the best way to cook a meal, the scientific method helps people make sense of everyday challenges. Let's explore 5 real-life examples where the scientific method is put into action.
Testing a new recipe.
Home cooks often use the scientific method without realizing it. Suppose you want to bake softer cookies. You hypothesize that adding an extra egg will help. You prepare 2 batches, one with the standard recipe and one with the change. By observing the results and comparing texture, you draw a conclusion, just like a scientist testing a hypothesis.
Troubleshooting a faulty smartphone.
When your smartphone suddenly stops working, you follow the scientific method. You ask what's wrong, guess that the battery might be dead, and try charging it. If that doesn't work, you test other ideas, like restarting the phone or checking the charger. Each step involves experimentation, observation, and problem-solving to find a solution.
Cleaning stains from clothes.
Getting rid of a stubborn stain can turn you into a scientist. You predict that a specific stain remover will work best, apply it to a sample spot, and check the result. If the stain remains, you try different methods and compare outcomes. This trial and error process mirrors the steps of the scientific method.
Determining the fastest commute route.
Many people use the scientific method on their daily commute. You might wonder which route to work is fastest. Form a hypothesis based on traffic reports and track your travel time using different routes. By analyzing the results, you choose the quickest way, using observation and measurement like a scientist.
Testing which plants grow best indoors.
If you want to add greenery to your home, you might wonder which plants thrive inside. You select a few varieties, place them in similar locations, and observe their growth over weeks. By controlling conditions and collecting data, you determine which species do best, applying the scientific method to home gardening.
Conclusion: science in our daily decisions.
The scientific method is all around us. Whether you're experimenting in the kitchen, solving tech issues, or comparing products, you're thinking like a scientist. Using observation, hypotheses, and testing, anyone can approach life's questions logically and make better decisions based on evidence.